So, for whatever reason, I decided to take the road that was right next to the observatory, Forest Service road, and I came across a ranger. And I do what I normally do. I say hi, and then ask them where they prefer me to disperse camp, because especially the guys in the trucks, they know the area. They patrol it. So he told me to keep following down this road, and that I was going to find a really cool area. There were a few people moving out. But you saw where I parked my car. And there's a lake right here. Kick ass. What a nice little lake. That was a big rumble of thunder. It stopped just as I hit my phone. Grumble, grumble in the sky. It is all sorts of windy and nasty out here. Grumbly and everything. Looks clear over there. Kinda looks clear over there. Kinda. But up there. Like, seriously, what are the odds? It has been thundering, blowing wind, nasty cloud all day, but it's been fine until I go to start cooking dinner. It starts raining. Yet again, just leaving GoPros in the forest. So on my way in here, there was a ranger that told me about this spot. I asked him where I should go. He said, come here. I was here for a little while, and I met one of the other guys that was just hanging out. And he said that he was with the Forest Service. He was, fire patrol with Forest Service. That's what he does. It's so beautiful. But the man that told me about this place said that there was people camped in the obvious no camping place, and the other man pointed out that they like serious forest and yeah, people are dumb. There's trash in there and everything. Ugh. Either way, There's going to be a forest fire department coming here tomorrow. They're going to make sure that everything's fine. What a cool lake. I didn't know there was a campsite over there. It's got some depth to it. And just so that you guys know, I am actually, I'm responsible when I am out in the woods. There are a few people that know my general whereabouts. They pretty much know I'm safe until my next check-in call. And I'm pretty aware of what's going on. As I've shown you guys, I check maps. I make sure that things are okay in my area when I have service. Otherwise, I have to rely on the skies. I have to be natural. I have to be like an animal. And when I sense danger, I have to leave. But for the most part, I'm safe. I feel okay. Everybody finally left this spot. This spot. Yeah. I almost want to spend another night here, just to stay at this spot. The more I stay in the woods, the more I want to stay in the woods. The less I want to go back into society, civilization, all of that crazy, like, I don't need to do that. No. Well, guys, if you made it this far through the video, I totally appreciate you, and I thank you. For real, you just watched the whole video. Yeah, this is going to be my standard end screen for a little bit. Like buttons, ding bells, subscribe hits. Yeah, because I know you probably aren't subscribed to me. So, yeah, hit the button, see what else I get up to. Yeah, alright guys, till the next time. I don't know, maybe that one's me and that one's what YouTube thinks you should see. Bye.